In this video, I will show you how to use Notion for Teams. Hello, I am Tatiana and welcome to Organize with Notion. Notion can assist your team in organizing and collaborating to achieve your company's goals. In this video, we will guide you in creating a dashboard for your team that includes the following: a quick access menu to the main Notion pages, frequently used external links, space for jotting down quick notes and ideas, projects and tasks assigned to each team member. Additionally, you will learn how to utilize comments and notifications to enhance collaboration and efficiency in your work. To begin, I will create a new page. In the left sidebar, click on New Page. Enter the name of your company or team in the page title and select Empty Page. To customize the page, add a cover by clicking on Add Cover. Then, click on Change Cover and choose an image from the Unsplash image bank. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner and enable the full width option to make the page occupy the entire screen. Finally, close the sidebar to view the page contents. I will start by creating 3 columns. To do this, I will type 3 columns followed by pressing Enter. In the first column, I will type /callout to create a highlight block. Here, I will include a menu for quick access to team-relevant Notion pages. I will change the icon and make the name bold. To change the background color, I will click on the 6 dots and then on Color. To create some example pages, I will type their names and then turn them into pages. Next, I will select the pages and drag them into the highlight block. To change the icon of each page, I will click on the 3 dots next to the page and select Icons. Here, I can choose an emoji or an icon. I will do this for all the pages. In the middle column, I will create a board for the most frequently used links by the team. I will type /callout and create a board, then change the icon and include a bold title for the board. To add the links below the title, I will press Shift+Enter. I will write the name of the website, select it, and click on the link button. Next, I will paste the website address. To add more links, I will repeat this process on a new line. In the third column, I will create a board for quick notes. I will change the icon and make the text bold. Once you have finished creating the 3 boards, you can standardize their size by pressing Shift+Enter on the smaller boards. To separate the menus from the projects, I will create a divider by typing 3 dashes. Just below, I will click on the plus and create a database with a table layout. Here I will place all the team's projects. And I will change the icon by clicking the button next to the name. To hide the title, I will uncheck the Show Database Title option. In the properties, I will change Name to Project. I will also edit the tags property to indicate whether the project is active or not. The property will be of the checkbox type. To set the project duration, I will include a property of the date type. Now, I will add some example projects to our database. Within each project, you will include a description and other important information for your team to access and complete their tasks. The next step is to create a view for active projects. I will click on the plus and choose the gallery layout. I will change the view name and also the icon. To hide the title, I will uncheck the Show Database Title option. In the card view, I will choose the None option. Then I will click on Done. In Properties, I will check if the duration property is displayed in this view. I will also change the date format to month, day, and year to make it easier to read. Now I will click on Filter and choose the Active property. Then I will click on Checked. This way, only the active projects will be displayed here. When starting a project, mark the active property. And when it is finished, change the property to inactive. Below the projects, you should include the tasks that will move the project forward. To create a divider, simply type /divider. First, create a database with a table layout called Tasks. Edit the view and customize the name and icon. To hide the title, uncheck the Show Database Title option. In the Properties, change the Name property to Task. Remove the Tags property by clicking on it and then selecting Delete property. Add a property of type Date to indicate when the task will be performed. Choose the month, day, year format for the date. Add a property of type Person to indicate who will be responsible for the task. Specify whether only one person or multiple people can be responsible. You can also automatically fill in this field with the person who created the task. Create a view to show only the tasks that you are responsible for. Click on the plus and select the table view. Customize the name and icon of the view. Hide the database title. To show only tasks from active projects in this view, create a roll-up property and choose the relation with the project database. In the Property field, select Active and keep the Show Original option in the Calculate field. Create a filter to display only your tasks. Choose the responsible property in the filter and select the Me option. This way, anyone using this page will only see their tasks in this view. Click on Add Filter and choose the Active Project property. Then select the Checked option. Finally, hide the active project and responsible properties in this view. Create another view to display tasks according to each responsible person. Click on the plus and select the board layout. Hide the database title and make sure the property used for grouping is the task status. Then click on Done. In the subgroup, choose the responsible property. This way, you can track the progress of each team member's tasks. The total number of tasks that each person is responsible for will appear next to their name in each group. Finally, add a filter to display only tasks from active projects. Another way to visualize tasks is by grouping them by projects. Duplicate the previous view, change the name and icon, and select the project property for the subgroup. When a person starts a task, they should update the status. To grant access to this page to your team members, you need to share it with them. Use the Share with Guests function to do this. In the free plan, you can invite up to 10 people. If you require more guests, version history, and additional file space, consider upgrading to the Plus plan. I will provide a link in the description for you to sign up for the paid plan if desired. To share the page, click on Share in the top menu. Enter the email address and select the desired access level for the guest. You can choose between View Only, View and Comment, Edit, or Full Access. With full access, the guest can share the page with others. Click on Invite to send an email to the person, informing them of the invitation to this page. Once your team has access to this page, you can assign individuals responsible for tasks. Additionally, each team member will have view-only access to their assigned tasks when accessing the My Tasks view. It is also possible to specify whether the guest can or cannot modify the database structure, such as filters, create new properties, or views. Click on the 6 dots next to the database and then select Open as Page. The permissions for each guest in this database will be displayed. A new option, Can Edit Content, is available in the Plus plan. By enabling this option, the guest can only edit the content without modifying views or the database structure. You can use Notion itself to communicate with your team. One way to do this is by using page comments. At the top of any page, there is a space for comments. Write your thoughts here, and when you're done, press Enter. You can include files in a comment or mention team members directly by typing a followed by their name. You can also include comments within the body of the page. Select part of the text and click on Comment in the menu that appears. Write your thoughts in the window next to it and click the arrow to send the comment. If you want, you can mention other team members directly on the page. Type @ followed by their name. The person will receive a notification in Notion in the Updates menu, which is located in the left sidebar. In the inbox, you will find all the times you have been mentioned by someone else in chronological order. Another useful application is creating reminders for other people. Type @ followed by their name, then type @remind, followed by the date and time when the person should be notified. Finally, write a brief description. Notion provides a range of features and tools to facilitate efficient collaboration, track project progress, and accomplish your business objectives. Thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you next time.